Hi everyone, my name is Margaret DiMarzio. I'm a founding stylist at Color Street, and I wanted to show you today what you get inside this black box. So when you become a Color Street stylist, you pay $129 to join, and a lot of people say, well, what do I get for the $129? So I'm going to show you exactly what you get in your starter kit. It's kind of like your business kit. It's what you need to start your business, okay? So this is what the box looks like. It's just a black box that comes right to your doorstep. It's going to give you a welcome letter. This is our founder, Far Park. They also are gonna give you a tote bag. This is an awesome bag that you can use to put all your nail strips in. Also too, it gives you the perfect tips for applying. Super easy. You probably don't even need the tips, they're that easy. You get, of course, some nail sets. So these are full nail sets. You're gonna get 13 of these in total. You'll get 10 of the regular ones, and then you get the petite ones. We have a little bit of a petite line. So people who have shorter or narrow nail beds could use these. And we also have a pedicure line as well. So you will get 13 in total, 10 of the regular, 2 of the petite, and 1 of the pedicure. So that way that you have one, or at least some of every single one that we sell. You will also receive 2 nail buffers. These are great. This is what I use to do my nails. 2 nail files, which come in this really kind of cool plastic case. It actually has the Color Street name on it. And then these are mint. So you're gonna get 72 of these, and there'll be a variety of them. This one right here is a French manicure one. Here are some glitters, but these are what we call twosies, or accent nails. So these are kind of like your samples, and you get 72 of these, which is amazing because you can have, you can give them out to 72 people. You can show them yourself how to put them on, or you can send them out in the mail. So that is the basics of the kit. And then we'll move on here to show you that you will get these right here are our nail prep pads. So we use this before we put the product on. You will also get nail polish remover. So much stuff in one little box. The wooden sticks. Now I love these wooden sticks because when you get the nail polish on your skin, you want to make sure that you can take that off. And these are great for that. You will also get business brochures. So if there's a friend or a family member or relative that really wants to join the business with you, you can hand these out to them. And it has all the information about the business opportunity. You will also get catalogs as well, so that you can hand these out to your friends and family, so you can show all the amazing styles and colors that we have to offer. And then we have a couple more things. We have colorful nail files, and this amazing guide. So this is what we called Road to Success, is our Color 10 Success program. And do you see how small that is, right? Because our business is super simple and easy, just like our product. And once you join, you will also get an app on your phone that will go through trainings. So not only do you get the trainings from, you know, the person that sponsored you, but you also get an app on your phone with all the trainings that you can download and listen to, like in the car, or if you're on a walk, you can listen to all of the trainings. So we have a ton of stuff that comes in your box to start your business, which is pretty amazing, right? For $129, you have everything that comes in this one black box. Not a lot of people can start a business for $129, but you, my friend, if you become a Color Street stylist, you can.